Hi, it's Neil at Toolstock TV here, and I'm at Makita, and I've got the Makita HR2470 SDS Plus rotary hammer drill. It's a 3-function drill. I'm going to introduce Ray from Makita. He's going to tell you a lot more about it, and he's going to demonstrate what it can do for us.
This is a 2 kilo class rotary hammer. Has a capacity of 24mm into concrete maximum. Has soft grip on the back with protected switch with a lock-on facility and release. The forward and reverse action, if you require it, you actually rotate the brushes 90 degrees. We have a 3-function machine here with rotary only, rotary hammer, neutral position for turning the steel round, and a hammer only position. Left or right handed, SDS plus, pull back on the end. 2.7 joules of energy and 780 watt.